Hi, I'm Jeff Wildrick, and in 3 days, I'm going to be having total knee replacement surgery, and I'm inviting you along for the journey. This journey toward knee replacement surgery started a few years ago when my knee began to hurt going upstairs and downstairs and then doing other just normal things until it got bad enough that I finally went to see an orthopedic surgeon to see what was going on. At the time, he took some x-rays and found out that I had bone-on-bone arthritis in my left knee and said, look, there's some things we can do for you right away. I can give you cortisone shots, I can give you gel shots, but eventually you're going to have your knee replaced. So we started in on that. He gave me a cortisone shot that very day, and I am glad to say that I had complete relief for almost a full year. I did some physical therapy in the midst of that time, and things were going pretty well. But then it started to hurt just as bad again. Cortisone shot number 2 lasted 6 months. The cortisone shot number 3 lasted 3 months. So now it was time to try something different. At that point, the doctor said, well, let's try gel injections. And I got 3 of those. And after I had all 3 gel injections, it's 1 week apart, the knee really wasn't much better at all. I was one of those people they don't work for. They work for a lot of people. If they worked for you, I'd like to hear how it went for you. And so we set the date for surgery. One of the big reasons why I am doing this surgery is because my wife and I love to travel. In fact, you may know us from our travel channel, which is called Miles and Smiles, where we talk about our RVing trips and the best ways to RV and fun things that we like to do, like hike and visit new sites. It's a great part of our lives, but at this point I've been getting to be that I can't really enjoy doing that because the knee just hurts. Even a quarter-mile hike and I'm ready to turn around. So in the last month, we've been doing the final stages. I've been doing physical therapy all along, prehabilitation they call it. All the exercises that will strengthen the knee and also increase the flexibility of the knee, because they say that the greater flexibility you have going into knee surgery, the better your chances are of having good flexibility when you come out. So about a month ago, I went in and I got a CAT scan of my knee that would give the doctor, actually he's making a 3D plaster model from that CAT scan that will help him plan the surgery. I had my pre-admission testing at Overlook Hospital in Somerset, New Jersey, where they did a chest x-ray, EKG, and all kinds of blood tests. I had medical clearance from my primary physician who checked everything out, put it together, knowing me as a whole person. She said, yes, you are fit for surgery. And then a final meeting with my doctor, Dr. Patel, who said, we're good to go. Don't get sick. And now we're 3 days away. I got to tell you, I am looking forward to this in one way because I'm really eager to get past this time in my life, and I want to have the freedom that I had before. I'm also dreading it a little bit. This surgery is a big deal. The knee, he said, is one of the most difficult surgeries that he does, and it takes a long time to recover, and the recovery process is very painful. But everybody I've spoken to who's had knee surgery, and I've spoken to a lot of people, watched a lot of videos, has ultimately said, I wish I'd done it sooner. So I'm hoping that that's not going to be, that's exactly what is going to be the case with me. I hope I'll be able to come out on the other side of this and say, I wish I'd done it sooner. So you're invited to join me on the journey. I'm going to be doing a series of short videos, each step along the way. Hopefully the next video will be the one that I do on Thursday morning as I get ready to go to the hospital and get there and then wake up after the surgery is over. And I will try to make this as real as I possibly can. If you're planning to have surgery, hopefully this will help you give a roadmap of what's to come. If you've had the surgery, maybe we can go through this together. I'd love to hear about it in the comments. Thanks for listening. Glad to have you on the journey.